The generative AI wave started by ChatGPT, and the next step is led by robots driven by physical AI. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang predicts in 100 years, robots will be everywhere. Humanoid robot tech in the next 2-3 years will have significant breakthroughs.
The robot era has arrived, and this is the next wave of AI.
More than 200 years ago, the prototype of robots had already appeared. And in various sci-fi novels and movies, robots carry humanity's tech progress dreams, and also countless people's hopes and losses. Tech News looks back at humanoid robot history.
18th century Swiss watchmaker Pierre-Jacques Droz
And his son used mechanical principles to make writer, composer, and draftsman automata. They could write, draw, and play the piano. They are considered the oldest robots. In the 19th century, Westinghouse Electric created a circuit board controlled by voice commands. To attract attention, the person in charge, Ron Wensley, gave it a simple head, limbs, and facial features, and so the robot Televox was born and successfully drew public attention. Westinghouse and Ron Wensley continued to evolve it. At the 1939 World's Fair, it walked on command, via wheels on a track, smoke, and talk with a 700-word vocabulary. Electro was unveiled, a more substantial humanoid robot. Just as babies grow from learning to walk, in the following period, humanoid robots staggered from learning to walk, striving towards the future. In 1986, Honda debuted bipedal robot E0. It could only walk in a straight line, taking 6 seconds per step. From E0 to E1 to the humanoid P1 to P3 models, until 2020, ASIMO, able to walk and kick, was born. By 2011, ASIMO understood multi-person commands, pour tea, and use sign language, enough for indoor tour guide duties. ASIMO became the face of Japanese humanoids. SoftBank's Pepper didn't appear until 2014. That same year, before Pepper's debut, the veteran ASIMO had already met Pres Obama. However, in July 2018, Honda ended ASIMO's development. In March 2022, ASIMO was officially retired. Its 22-year career truly came to an end. If Japan's humanoid history is ASIMO's story, in the US then, it's the story of Atlas. Almost like ASIMO, Atlas began learning to walk at MIT in 1983 and continued to advance with Atlas in 1992. After a period of research, the Atlas prototype debuted in 2013. Though development was challenging, Boston Dynamics continuously improved Atlas. Today, Atlas can walk, run, jump, and flip, and easily navigate rugged terrain. It can get up on its own after falling. By 2024, Atlas could do parkour, dance, and mimic construction workers.
That April, Boston Dynamics retired Atlas, unveiling its electric successor the next day.
The new Atlas is even more incredible. Compared to the old hydraulic model, the all-electric version is stronger and faster. When Atlas gets up from the ground, it doesn't need to bend its knees like humans. Just by pushing with its hands, its lower legs rotate 90 degrees to stand up. It seems its joints can rotate 360 degrees and is developing multi-purpose grippers. Boston Dynamics aims to surpass human work to maximize efficiency. Honda and Boston Dynamics taught ASIMO and Atlas to run and jump. However, their path to commercialization was tough. Like Honda retiring ASIMO for commercial tech, since its founding, Boston Dynamics was always being sold or on the way to be sold. Founded in 1992, it went from Google to SoftBank to Hyundai. Boston Dynamics only recently went commercial, and the first to get a job wasn't Atlas, but the robot dog Spot, used for factory patrols, extreme exploration. Honda and Boston Dynamics had a tough start, but with the push from AI, humanoid robots entered a new stage. Tesla uses neural networks and FSD to train its humanoid robot Optimus. It uses 2D cameras, touch, and force sensors. Optimus Gen 2 debuted at WAIC in July 2024. Optimus can carry batteries and pick up eggs. A limited run of 1,000 bots will deploy to help humans in production line tasks. Musk expects global demand, 1 billion humanoid bots annually. At its current pace, Tesla will capture at least 10% of that market. Tesla's robot cost about $10,000 to make, with a predicted selling price of $20,000. That translates to a $1 trillion profit. Robots will give Tesla huge market value. It's valued 10 times today's most valuable companies. Goldman Sachs raised its humanoid robot forecast from $6 billion for 2035 predicted a year ago to $38 billion, an increase of more than 4 times. Tech advances, plus declining birth rates, labor shortages, and the hope for robots to do dangerous jobs, the humanoid field is in a new growth spurt. From Electro to Optimus, no step was wasted. We are stepping into the childhood, the sci-fi future surrounded by robots.